Among all the businesses conducted online, dropshipping is one of the most popular. Dropshipping can be started through proper rules and some investment. What is dropshipping business? Example. You buy a product from a dealer for $5 and sell it on your website for $7. $2 is your profit from the $5 product. There are many websites through which dropshipping can be done, and if you want, you can create your own website and do dropshipping business through it. However, in that case, you will have to maintain everything including payment, gateway system, return, refund, customer service. To make it even easier, you can visit this website, chipchip.com. Go sign in. Type an email and password for register. Tell your full name, your country language, then next. Now tell about your business. If you're already selling, you can select it. I select I'm not selling product yet. Then select your experience level. Now select your business model. Here also have print on demand option. If you want to provide this facility, then you can choose it. I choose dropshipping only. Agree and continue. Then go to your mail and confirm your mail. If you have already a domain, you can use that, otherwise create a new domain. I'll do this later, that's why I skip this. Click on your name, go setting. Personal info. You will need to provide your basic information here. Your name, Facebook profile link, your phone number. Select your language and time zone. My time zone is UTC +6. I select it. Then mailing info. Write your full name, your address, where do you live, stat, city, zip code. Go to payment info. Select the method you want to use for payout. PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, chip ads. Providing details of the method you select for payout. You can also link your account. I will now move to the storefront. Since we don't have any storefront, I will create one. Give a title of your storefront. I'll give Kids Collection as an example. Now write a description about my storefront. That's why I'll go ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to write a beautiful description for my storefront. Done. I will use the title as URL. For creating a banner, I will go to canvas.com. Search here for banner, then select one. To do something, customize. I create a simple banner for my storefront. Upload complete and basic storefront creating done. After that, if I go to the storefront, I will be able to see the demo storefront that provided by chipchip.com. By looking at their demo store, you can understand how to customize your account or display your products on the storefront. If you go to the domain, you will see a domain provided by them. You can use their domain if you want. You can customize it through subscription. For product listings, you can use AliExpress because the prices of the products are somewhat lower than other websites. You can select your preferred products from here and list them on your storefront by copying everything including the product name and details. Even customer reviews and rating can be automatically displayed in your product description. If you search and find products and sellers with a rating of at least 4 stars, then you can list their products on your storefront and you may receive good feedback from your customers. If you want, you can even talk directly with the sellers and collect products from them. By negotiating with them, you may be able to buy products at an even lower price if the demand is higher. Now, why should you use chipchip.com for dropshipping? Because it offers you all the conveniences. Order tracking. Customer. After After placing the order, where and when the order is right now, its full tracking support will give it to your customer. This support will continue until the customer receives the product. Return and refund. If your customer wants to return or refund for any reason, ChipChip will be responsible instead of you for processing the return or refund. Full customer support. If your customers need any assistance regarding any product or any other matter, or if you need help with the entire processing system, ChipChip will manage it for you. Call center support. For call center services, they have a separate team who will talk to the customer on your behalf. Payment support. It is normal that all customers will not use a specific payment method. Now for that, you have to make a separate account. No, ChipChip will accept any payment method of the customer, and you can receive the profit through your one payment system. And for providing all these services, ChipChip.com will deduct some money from your sale and give you the remaining money as profit. So go ChipChip.com, create a store, buy a domain, listing product, do marketing for generate traffic.